Hey there guys, what is up? I am Creepy Gamer Guy, as you all know. Today we're going to be playing How to Survive Storm Warning Edition. This game is free on the Xbox One Marketplace if you have Xbox Live Gold. If you don't, then it's 20 bucks. But without further ado, we're going to get into it. I have actually never oh. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. It was syncing data. But I have never played this before. I do know that it is about zombies and pretty much surviving. So yeah, let's get into this. One player. Alternate costume. Kenji, Ninja, Abby, use Jack. Let's go with Jack. Iron Man. Just easy, just because I don't really know fully what I'm doing at the moment. Maybe in the future, when I do realize what I'm doing, I'll put it on extreme mode or something. Or hard, I should say. Okay. I know I've been gone for a while, guys. I'm sorry about that.
Mayday! 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 This is Scamper VL2841. Our position 2 nautical miles southwest of Los Riscos Island. We require immediate assistance. Our controls are out. Visibility poor. Mayday! 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 This is the Coast Guard Station, Brands Point, Scamper VL2841. Coast Guard Station, Brands Point, Channel 16. Your trajectory is fine. Keep your course. Over. Coast Guard, please confirm. Read right ahead.
Oh crap. Are you okay? Beep beep beep. No, okay. They're not okay. They're not okay. Approximate time 1300. Survival normal state of health. Oh wait. Why am I wearing? Is that what the fireman suit thing was? Is that what it was? What? I don't. What am I doing?
Hey, you, please. I need some help. I was attacked. I'm exhausted. There are monsters everywhere on this goddamn island. Some followed me and surrounded me on this beach.
That sucks to be you.
I kill some of them, but look, bastards bit me.
Well, then get away from me.
Listen, I know there are medicinal plants around here. You gotta bring me one. It should ease the pain. Please. Be quick. I'm bleeding.
You're bleeding? Man, I guess that sucks to be you, man.
Hey, have you found the plant?
Oh crap. Oh. So I need to find a plant. I guess. It's LT to run. Oh. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Can I go this way? Oh no, I can't go that way. Up here? Okay, those birds don't like me. Where am I? Where do I even go? Like, okay, my objectives. Now what do I do? Yeah, I know. I see. How do I control it? I can't, can I? Alright, well. Oh. Oh, well, there's one. Didn't see that before. I'm stupid.
Thanks, pal. These plants taste like shit, but they're pretty good painkillers. You may need them yourself. Here's hoping you don't.
Okay. Congratulations, I completed a mission. Are you gonna be okay? Are you gonna bite me? No. Yeah, you just lay there.
Hey, my name's Andrew. I'm not sure how I ended up here. It's a little hazy. But this place, it's a nightmare. living nightmare. I'm one of a small group of survivors. It's been about a week since we tried and failed.
Well, that sucks. You should do better next time.
It's impossible to get off. Many
Well
of us
then.
died, devoured by these damn monsters. Right now, my friend Ramon is all I've got left. The rest are either dead or walking dead. Ramon is injured and can hardly move. I left him close to our boat while I went to find fuel.
Don't be.
Please find him.
Okay.
Tell him that I'm injured and stuck here. You'll find him on the beach, on the east side of the island. Listen.
Be careful, really careful. I know. Shut up.
Careful. The island is swarming with these fucking monsters. Here, take this stick. You'll need it to survive.
Oh man, I got a stick. I'm gonna do so much damage to a friggin' monster zombie thing. I'm gonna do so much damage. Oh my god. Do I attack this? Can I not get through? No? Do I go this way? No, I can't go that way. Use the right stick to aim at your target, I get it. My god. So far, this game is really annoying me. I can't, like, where do I go? Like, if I can't go in there. Do I go here?
Kovacs rules. Introduction.
Introduction.
Greetings. If you are reading this, you are probably afraid for your life.
Yeah, okay.
Lost and hungry. And if you have not already, you will soon encounter the many zombies who live here. Please, stay positive. The situation is desperate, but not lost. Thanks to my survival guide, you will get through this. My guide is a thorough training program to help you survive the most extreme environments. It contains all you need to combat the zombies. Good luck, and see you soon, survivor! Remember, unarmed combat is useless against these monsters. Always use a weapon.
Okay. That's my big lesson. Always use a weapon. No, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Yeah. How does a stick do that? What the hey? Okay. Ow. Ow. Smacked. Smack you. Okay. Daddy? I don't know who that is, but okay. Do I... What? Oh! The blueprint. Okay, I thought I had to take that. Okay, I can't go that way. Die! Die! Oh, these... Oh! Oh, okay, these are like other people that have died here.
Kovacs rules.
Kovacs
Chapter
rules.
1. Close combat. Here are some basic rules you have to keep in mind when you have to confront a monster during close combat. Use the right stick to aim.
Okay.
You still can move while aiming.
Got it.
Hold your strike to increase its damages.
I kind of figured that out.
Press the A button when kill appears meters above a hurt monster to make an
God,
instant
I
heal.
figured that out already. Okay. He's telling me everything I already knew except for the aiming with guns and arrows and stuff. Oh, crap. Popped up and then I didn't do it. Ah! Ow. Buckeyes? What? How do people die here? What the heck? Wait, are you still alive? No? Woo! Do dance, do dance, do dance, do dance, do dance, do the dance. Oh! Apple juice! Attitude adjustment! Oh my god! I just attitude adjustment at a zombie. Holy crap. Do 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 do! I'm John Cena! I just attitude. Ah! No! Die. I want to do that again. Oh, this is why people died here. So many zombies. Ah! So many zombies! Oh, of course it would break. What am I gonna do now? I'm gonna die. Oh, healing plant. Give me that. Give me that. Well, how do I get another weapon? Yes, I know that. Oh my god! You're telling me things I was already taught. I know what to do. I'm just gonna have to like run past all these zombies. Run! Ah! So I don't have a weapon anymore. Go, go, go! Oh, yay! Ah! Ah! Well, I'm just gonna leave them back there because I don't feel like killing them. I want to attitude adjustment 1. I want to be John Cena. Oh! Oh! Clothesline! I just clotheslined a zombie. Attitude adjustment! Oh! Actually, that's more like the angle slam. It's more of a Kurt Angle's angle slam, or whatever he calls it. Or the angle buster. Whatever he calls it. I don't know what he calls it. Attitude adjustment! Ah! Well, it's gonna be either or on this channel. It's either going to be attitude... Oh! Still don't know how the little stick does that. How to survive.
Kovacs rules.
Kovacs rules. Gonna go suck at one.
Fracture, cut, disembowelment. To be a survivor means to have injuries, yet live. So, if you get injured, and you will, do not fear. Help is at hand. The islands are full of medicinal plants to treat your wounds.
I know this.
Your health. For more serious wounds, put the leaves in a cloth to make a poultice.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Finally, I have left some presents for you. The med kits are powerful gifts. They will fully heal you in a flash. So, never give up and fight.
I knew most of that except for the cloth. Like, he tells me everything I already know, but like, one thing he teaches me. It's like, so annoying. Like, I know most of the things he's teaching me. It's so annoying. Okay, I know, I see the objectives, I know. Okay, he's down here. Wait, how do I know that? How does my guy just automatically know where people are? Like, well, I guess it is just a game. Die. Choke slam! Ah!
Hey,
Choke slam.
who are you? And where's Andrew? You met Andrew? Where is he? Oh, shit, that's terrible news.
Yeah, because you
don't
know
think
exactly
you're-
what I'm talking
It's
to you.
all over. It's only a matter of time. He's gonna turn into a monster too. too. That's why I cut my leg off. With my own leg. I had no choice. I went out of here alive. So what about you?
That's nice,
Any
dude.
teeth marks to declare? No? Wait, and you got here, what, with just a stick? I'm impressed.
Yeah, I know, me too.
If Andrew's bitten, then I'm shit out of luck. You've got to help me. But look, I can help you too. I know how to survive. Come on, we can work together. You and I. Here, take this.
I'm gonna survive with a dude on crutches without a leg.
If you want to stay alive, you're gonna have to use it. Comprende? Yo, it's kill or be killed. Yo, hack an attack, papa.
Hack and attack.
Follow me. Night's about to fall, and I got a favor to ask you. Come on. Don't be shy.
Not sure I really trust this dude, but okay. And he's gonna be one of those people that just goes super slow, but whatever. I guess he is on crutches. Hack at your graveyard there. I swear if it teaches me something I already know.
Kovacs rules. Chapter 3, Skills.
Okay.
You can upgrade your abilities to
Alright, I didn't know that.
To do this, open your inventory and go to the skills screen. There are many abilities that you can acquire, thanks to the experience you build up during your adventure. The first one allows you to light up campfires.
Okay, alright, I didn't know that. Thank you for actually teaching me something I didn't know. Alright. Okay, wait. Where do I go for the inventory? Forget. Oh, I forget. So stupid. Whatever.
Here's the plan. Last week, on another island, we found an old air tanker. It's damaged, but we could repair it and escape. Boats can get us island to island, but by air, that seems to be the only way out of here. Andrew's mission was to find gas for the plane. This is your job now. Problem is, night is coming, and you need to know some really freaky creatures come out only at night, along with the other monsters. These creatures are vile and really aggressive. They only attack when it's dark and hate bright lights, so at least you can use that against them. I'll give you my personal flashlight to go to the village, but can I ask you to light me the campfire just here?
Okay. I speed on. Ew, crap. What do I have to do? Oh, I gotta go that far away. Alright, whatever.
Light the campfire for me, please. I don't want to stay here in the dark with these nasty nocturnal things.
Alright, well, follow me, bro. No? Inventory, skills. Okay. Now. Alright, well, there's one right there. I can just go there and light you up a fire. Come on. No. Okay. Alright, well, let's go, I guess. I don't think he's even following me, but whatever. Kovacs rules. Oh wait, what is this? I'll take that. Ugh. Okay, wait. Alright, there's fire. Oh my god. Okay. Which way am I facing? This way? If I could get past there. Oh my god. I'm gonna be here forever. There we go. Okay. Guys, enjoying your meal over there? Get the machete. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Okay. Hey there, man. Get back here. Oh, Jesus. Ah, I stabbed him in the head. I want the kills with the stick because I can add it. I can ankle slam people and attitude adjustment them, and then I can also do other cool things. All right. Oh crap. There. You got a fire stick. Ah. Ah. Where am I going? I did it. Are you happy? Are you happy with me now? Alright, well. I don't have much time with this stick. Wait. Did I drop my machete? No, okay. How do you like me now? Do, 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 do. I got a fire. Oh, I can burn trees down. That's cool. Okay, let's see here. Wait. I had to fucking Sorry, pardon my language. Oh my god. This game.
Light the campfire for me, please.
I did. Now what do I do? Oh, okay, I can do that. This is so annoying.
Great. Thank you. This should be enough to keep them at bay. As promised.
Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna end the episode here. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This game is so freaking annoying. If you liked watching me get mad at this game, I will make more. But it'll just be a rough ride for me, because I freaking hate it. But, yeah. So, I'll see you guys.